Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I create easy pen drawing tutorials inspired by vintage illustrations, rustic landscapes, and cozy cottage scenes.
Time stands still, hearts racing. In this moment, I feel you chasing. Days feel like years, every tick of the clock whispers in the wind, it's you I unlock. Memories bloom like flowers in spring. Every heartbeat reflects the joy you bring. Can't wait to see you again, my friend. Every moment apart, it makes my heart bend. The stars in the sky remind me of your light, counting down the days till we reunite. Shadows fade, drawing close, I await. Your laughter echoes as I contemplate. Dreams collide in a beautifully bright. Soon you'll be here, making everything right. This distance can't hold what we built inside, a bridge of emotions where love will not hide. In every sunset, I see your face. Every sunset brings you my saving grace. Can't wait to see you again, my friend. Every moment apart, it makes my heart bend. The stars in the sky remind me of your light, counting down the days till we reunite. When the clock strikes the hour, I'll run to you, embracing the feeling that's so pure and true. Wrapped in your arms, it'll feel like a dream. Together forever, an unbreakable scene. So here's to the moment when we'll finally meet. A love like ours, it's a rhythm, a beat. Until then, I'll hold you close in my heart. Can't wait to see you. We'll never be apart. In the silence between our spirits align, every heartbeat whispers forever.